Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D part model in Autodesk Inventor software and learn the Autodesk Inventor basic commands. So let's get started. Go to New, take a standard part in millimeter and go to Create. Now here take a 2D sketch. We'll start from the front plane, so we'll select here the XY plane. Take here circle command. From the center point, we are going to construct a circle of diameter 70. Enter. Okay. Now finish sketch. Here take extrude command and here we are going to take extrude of 50 mm and press OK. Okay. Now go to part 3. Here we have a profile been constructed with this circular profile. So go to part 2. For this profile, go to origin and here we are going to select the YZ plane. Go to create sketch. This will be the right side view. Take here circle command. Okay. Or to make it more quick, take rectangle command, take 2-point rectangle and here make one rectangle profile. Okay, make another rectangle profile here and here make another rectangle profile. Okay, go to dimension. Here define this top end from the center. Okay, escape. Now we have to define the center line over here. Go to line, select the center point, make one center line here. Escape, select this line, make it construction. Okay, go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe. Okay, now you can see the sketch completely. Now go to sketch, take dimension, select this top end. Okay, and here select this center line, define this at 80 mm. Okay, select this top from the center line at 115 mm. Okay, now define this as 16 mm, define this as 16 and this also as 16 mm. Okay, now define this from here at 64 mm. Okay, now escape. Now we are only left with this profile, so go to coincident, select this point and select this line. Now escape. Okay, now finish sketch. Here take extrude, select all the profiles. Here we are going to take symmetric. Okay, and here we are going to give a dimension of 50 mm itself and press OK. You have taken the profile inside for completely joining with the circular profile. Okay, go to view, visual style, change it to shaded with edges. So this will be the profile. Okay, now here we are going to transform this. Go to part 3. Here you can see number of radius and fillets. Okay, go to part 2. For the radius, go to 3D model. Take here fillet command. Okay, now here take fillet radius as 10 mm. Go to edge selection, select this edge, select this edge. Okay, select this edge and select this bottom edge and apply. Now remain in this and change the radius to 26 mm. Go to edge selection and select this end and press OK. Go to home, go to right view. Now this profile will look like this. Okay, go to home view. Now select this face, go to create sketch. Here take the rectangle command and take here center to center slot. Make the slot profile. Go to dimension. Here define the center to center distance. Escape. Go to dimension once again. Select this line. Define this center to center distance as 24 mm and define the radius here as 5 mm. Okay. The distance of this slot center from the center of the circle will be at 100 mm. Okay. Now go to vertical constraint, select this center point and select the center. Now finish sketch. Take extrude. Here we are going to take cut. So click on cut and press OK. Okay. Now here select this face. Okay. Go to 3D part 3. Here we have a hollow profile. Go to part 2. So select this face. Go to create sketch. Take the circle command. From the center point, we are going to construct one circle here for the cutout of dia 50 mm. Okay. And here go to the slot and take 2-point rectangle. Make one rectangle profile. Okay. Go to dimension. Define this as 10 mm. Escape. Take vertical constraint. Select the center and select the center point. Okay. Now escape. Now here we have a movement. So to constrain this movement, select coincident. Select the center point and select the center. Okay. Go to dimension. Here select this top and select this bottom. Define this as 28 mm and escape. Now here go to trim this profile and escape. Go to finish sketch, take extrude, select both the profiles. Here take cut. So this will be 50 mm cut. Rotate. You can see the hollow profile this side also and press OK. Now go to home view. Okay. And here we'll define the appearance. So we'll take here the light red color. Click on light red. So this will be the final output. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a 3D part model in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.